I'm fully aware that my office is still in a state of emergency, but my new best friend invited me back out to that storage unit, and you know I couldn't resist. I had to go back. A lot of you confirmed that you do want a listing video or a processing video, so I am getting that done. I'm in the middle of making that video. So we are gonna work through this pile together. So even though I'm getting a lot more, I do think I'm gonna be able to process it relatively easily and quickly. I cannot pass up a deal. I don't know how. When it's presented to me, I have too much FOMO. I can't not. So I went back, and believe it or not, I think this haul beats the last one. Hi, I brought you some drinks and donuts. Okay, hey, yeah, you're welcome. Just here? Okay, great. Where should I put the nose? Okay, perfect. I'm sure you had a long day. Yeah. It's a super long day. It's tiring work. First, I'd like to thank Karma for sponsoring this video, and if you guys stick around, you're gonna hear about a really exciting giveaway. Now, of course, I'm always grateful for any gift that anyone decides to give me, but let's do a little Mother's Day story time. There may have been a time that a certain elderly relative decided to pass down some home decor items to me. And when I say their taste was eclectic, I mean it was very eclectic. So whenever we saw that person in the future, we had to make sure that we pulled those trinkets out and placed them somewhere prominent so that we didn't hurt their feelings. And that can always be super awkward when you receive a gift that isn't quite your style. But that's where Karma comes in, because Karma can help ensure that mothers this Mother's Day get the gifts they actually want. First, you're gonna wanna download the Google Chrome extension. And with that extension, mothers can save the items they really want from 50,000 different stores and organize them into lists. You can then share those lists with your loved ones, and then Karma will send you a notification via email or through your mobile phone the instant one of your items from your list goes on sale. Some of the things I've put on my list are this beautiful UGG robe that's like full length. I've been looking for a super soft robe that is full length for a really long time, and some makeup primer from Sephora because I'm really picky about my makeup, and this is the exact primer that I like. If you're curious to see all of my shopping wish list items, I will leave a link in the description box and you can check those out there. Karma's doing a giveaway right now for Mother's Day, and you can be 1 in 10 to win $1,000 to shop your list. You'll just need to go to Karma's Instagram at Karma_shop now to enter the giveaway. One of the requirements to win is to have a Karma account, and you can sign up through my link in the description box below. Thanks again to Karma for helping me get the gifts I actually want for this Mother's Day and for sponsoring this video. No one cares, but I did grab this for me.
It goes all the way to the end zone. Wow!
Lots of Eileen Fisher again. Another Eileen Fisher sweater. I love selling Eileen Fisher. It always sells really well for me. I'd never heard of this brand, but it said made in Italy and 100% silk, and comps looked really good, so I'm glad I looked it up. I love selling Eileen Fisher, and I found a bunch of it today. So Sanctuary isn't a brand like I'm picking up all the time, but this is this large, basically in brand new condition, wool plaid overcoat. Really large, really oversized. I mean, I don't know exactly what this might sell for, but I'm hoping at least, you know, $50, $60 plus shipping. I don't, it might take a minute to sell, but it is in really good condition and it is really pretty. Absolutely love selling FootJoy. This says Pinehurst 1985 on it, but it's a FootJoy large pullover, half zip. Tends to sell pretty quickly for me every time I pick it up. Oh my gosh, I love Sundance, and I especially love Sundance when it's leather or suede, and this is a suede jacket. It's definitely the older tag, but that's okay. It does have a little spot here, so it's like not, I mean, in pristine condition, but it should still sell. this one has this Ralph Lauren crest on it. And when you see that, that means it generally, in my experience, will sell for $40 to $50. So every time I've had that crest and every time I've had this blazer, this style, it's sold for between $40 to $50.
You know this brand?
What's that brand?
Too good.
Oh, no.
No?
But
check it out.
it looks good.
Yeah,
Is
check
it
it
good?
out. So how much is it?
Okay, let's see.
It's for I think for
Oh, the Drossman dress. Oh, wow.
London, something like that for
Yeah. Wow. Do you keep those and give them to your clients, or do you have
selling. Yeah,
for you?
yeah.
For you? That's awesome.
Yeah, it's for you. So in Poshmark.
So what's that? Wow, Gucci?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
I wanna keep some.
vintage Gucci. That's so cool. Wow. So you hold on to that and you lot it out, or do you list it yourself?
Sometimes unless
Yeah.
when I have a time. Not right now.
No, right?
It's too much.
Yeah.
When I have a time.
When you have time, you do stuff like that. That's really cool. Okay, these are some vintage Ralph Lauren Paisley wide leg pants, and I just couldn't resist. I'm like, this will sell for something. These are way cool and retro. I'm gonna have to do more research on these, but I think they'll sell really well. These big wide trousers are really in right now. This is a brand called Oisel, and I have a few of the shorts that I picked up as well, but this is Motor, Heart, Rhythm, I don't know. Long sleeve medium tensile tee. It's like an activewear brand, and the shorts looked like they sold for a lot pre-owned, and the shirt does as well. So the shorts probably $30, and then the long sleeve tops maybe 30, 35. This is a Nordstrom vintage silk pajama. It says lingerie, but pajama. It's like a full length, you know, all the way down. Pajama shirt, dress, whatever. And why I grabbed it, it's 100% silk. And these vintage lingerie pieces that are 100% silk, regardless of where they're from, tend to do really well for me. So you and I will both see how this sells.
You do this full time or part time?
Part-time, because yeah, well, my kids are with me at home. So I have 3 boys,
3 boys?
and they are crazy. But it's a great way to earn money from home and like on my own schedule. I don't have to go into an office, you know. So this is like a big linen skirt, and the brand is Inizio, and it says made in Italy. So you guys know I'm always gonna look for that and look it up. And comps seem to be really good for it. I mean, it's just a simple linen skirt, but we love linen. I think it'll sell for like, I don't know, like $50.
Very nice shoes there.
Yeah, these are great shoes. These are great. FootJoy. These are the FootJoy Flex shoes. Okay, so these are the Peter Millar Hyperglide Sport sneakers, and they're in a really good condition. I'll just clean up the bottom a little bit. But yeah, I think these will sell for like, comps are kind of everywhere, but maybe like $50 to $75 for these. Some UGG men's slippers. Those could be in pretty good condition. Free People, love Free People. Like these peep toe sandals, leather, maybe like $40 on these. Love Free People.
like free people, Malware,
Yeah.
Patagonia, Blue,
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, that's great. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I was so glad he handed me this Fry bag because this is so cute. I love selling Fry. Like their purses do really well, at least they have in the past. So I'm guessing like at least $40 for this. Super cute. So yeah, right, all these here. Yeah.
Right here is the tent.
Okay.
7 and 5, if you want to check it out.
Okay, great. Perfect. This would be a keep for me if it had just like a longer torso. Oh, cool. Okay, so I have sold a bunch of Sundance purses in the past actually. I got a bunch at a yard sale that a woman who used to like work at Sundance was liquidating stuff anyway, like some of her possessions, whatever, and they sold really well. So I don't know if these still sell okay, but I'm guessing that they do. So I'm hoping to sell this for like at least $50. I think it'll sell for that, 40 or 50 maybe. I love Alice and Olivia. Alice and Olivia, brand new with tags. I love selling Alice and Olivia. Retail on this was $300, which is insane. But yeah, these wide leg yellow trousers, again, like I said, you know, the wide leg, high-waisted trousers are super in right now. These are some Patagonia pants. These were like way too cool. They are vintage. They're a men's 31. They have like a wide leg. I think these will do great for like women or men. This is an All Saints scarf. It's like a houndstooth on one side, leopard print on the other. And I think this retails new for like $75, so totally excited that he set this aside for me. This is a Geiger wool skirt with this fun print on it. It is European, we love that. I have sold their sweaters before and they've sold really well, so I think this skirt, like it's like a midi length too, which I think is good. I think it'll sell for like 40 to 50. Another Patagonia. This is like a women's fleece. It's like gray and pink, snap button, size medium. Any Patagonia I can find, I always love. So yeah, all this is great, and the shoes, you just let me know. So 606, is that good? Okay, and I'll just dump this in the back of my trunk and I'll give you back your bag and everything. You got it? Okay, awesome. Okay, so I'll just make a few trips. Maybe I'll back my car up real quick. Yeah, maybe just the shoes, and then I will put the clothes in separate. Yeah, okay.
You do it for a week for put no? And even here? For how long you?
I have more than I'm listing right now, so I need to catch up. Do
yo
what?
Yes, buyer for even he said, no, it's too much with you, man. Every week like this, he said, no, it's too much. Give me a time.
I know.
Said,
I almost said no today, but I was like, I can't not. So much good stuff. Is that all yours too? Oh my gosh.
This is good in your shoes, so.
That's unsorted? Just
No.
You haven't been through it?
Too.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn, my house is gonna become this pretty soon. I appreciate it. You're supporting my business and this is great. Okay, I'll see you soon, Tommy. Thank you. I picked up over 150 items in this haul. So I think I have at least $3,000 worth of stuff to sell. Probably more. I think I did pay up like a tiny bit more for certain things in this haul, but it was totally well worth it. I'll still make a great profit and I'll maintain that great connection that I have. I've already auctioned off 24 items on Whatnot and made $500 back. So that really helps recoup my costs pretty quickly. I might do that again. I've already taken a ton of the items and I've liquidated them through mystery boxes for you guys. I did those at or below cost, so I didn't make a profit on those at all. But I do it as more of a treat for you guys to pass along the blessings. You know, I'm not looking to make money on those. That's kind of why I offer them for just $1 per item. The Island Fisher and everything else that I picked up that I reserved, I will be putting up on eBay because I think they'll do well there. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this stuff listed. It has been a great week for my business. Thank you so much for tuning in today, you guys. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. I just am so grateful that anyone chooses to click on my videos. Thank you so much. Take care, you guys, and I will catch you next time.